In this video, I'm going to show you how to eliminate the bad odor after boxing that lingers up in the gloves, and how to make them smell good. Very, very good. So stay tuned. All right, so what you're going to need 2 socks. I already went ahead and did this, but you grab some socks, and then you grab some of this odor blocker that Downy has. Basically, it's a scent booster. It's like these little beads. They smell really good. So what you want to do, you want to fill up your sock. This one I filled it up up to about right here, size of your palm. What you want to do, you want to make a knot, and then after you're done boxing, you want to just slide it all the way in there until it reaches all the way right here, and then you'll see what happens the next day. If you sweat a lot and it's really, really wet, your sock the next day or damped, you wanna I suggest you double wrap it. You put 2 socks. So there's gonna be 2 socks right here and then 2 socks over here. But this method, it works. It works, and you know, it smells really good. When I'm boxing, other boxers they smell it. You know, they be smelling that smell, and it smells real good. So you don't have to be over there spraying it with Febreze or all that stuff. I do recommend that once you're done boxing, you grab some Lysol wipies and then just wipe it thoroughly from the inside all the way in there, and then you can just go ahead and stick one of these already in there that's already pre-made. The ones that you made, you know what I mean? Stick it in there, all the way in there, like I showed you, all the way in there, and you'll see it works miracles. Also, to keep the maintenance of your gloves, because these are leather and they are like skin, so you have to make sure that you condition them with a specific leather conditioner. I use Armor All. You could use Armor All. Just spray them all through the back, whatever, you know what I mean, and then with the towel, just wipe them down, and it leaves them good. It leaves them nice and shiny and good, and your leather will last you a long time. So that's another little method that you could do. All right, if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, a like, share, and have a nice time. Take care.